Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. In today's video, I am sharing a delicious and flavorful mutton curry recipe in pressure cooker, which is loaded with flavors with all the meaty goodness to it. Why wait? Let's get started. Take a pressure cooker and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 2 bay leaves and 4 cloves. I'm going to add all spices. Mix it lightly until they release a nice aroma. Now I have added 250 grams of sliced onions. Saute the onion on medium-high flame until golden brown color. It may take up to 8 to 9 minutes. Once the onions is cooked like this, then I am going to add mutton pieces. Here I have taken 500 grams of fresh mutton with bone for this recipe and mix everything together along with the onions. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic chili paste to it. Now nicely saute for about 2 to 3 minutes and let this cook for 5 minutes. After this, keep the flame on low and add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of spicy red chili powder for spiciness, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half tablespoon of garam masala and mix everything together. After 5 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of whisked curd. Again mix it well along with the mutton pieces. So you can see how gradually the color is changing. At this point, check for seasoning and if you need to add salt, add it. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt, or you can adjust it according to your taste. Again mix all together. Next add hot water to it. Add enough water to cover the mutton. Mix everything well. Now add little finely chopped coriander leaves. Again give a quick mix. Keep the flame on medium. Place the weight pressure cooker on medium flame for 5 whistles. You can see how nicely the oil has separated. It has got a rich color. Now turn on the stove, add 1 pinch of garam masala to it, 1 pinch of crushed kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. Our mutton is nicely cooked. You can see how soft the mutton is. Now I am going to add 3 chilies and finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Our mutton curry is ready. Turn off the stove and you can serve it nice and hot. This is absolutely delicious mutton curry, which is rich in its flavors. Look at this mouth-watering mutton curry, soft, juicy meat and full of flavors. And this can be enjoyed with a nice steaming rice or with some roti by the side. I hope you try this recipe at home and enjoy every bite and share with your family and friends. So for more interesting recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.